हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप यू आर फाइन एंड इन गुड हेल्थ। आशा करती हूँ आप सब खुश रहो और हंसते रहो हमेशा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल a story here, the three fishes story. Might be you heard, right? So let's start. One day, three fishes lived in the water. The first fish was wise. The second fish was intelligent and clever. The third fish was always believed in luck. So one day the first fish heard two fishermen talk that they will come tomorrow there and they will catch all the fish. So he went to the other two fish and told them about this fisherman talk. Okay, so what happened? The first fish advised the two other fish that I am leaving this place right now, both of you also leave immediately. Then the second fish told that let the fisherman come, I will find a way to escape. And the third fish, who was always believed in luck or fate, again he told that it's our luck, it's our fate, whatever written, whatever will happen, it will happen. Okay, no problem, like this. Then after that the first fish left the place immediately. Next day the fishermen came there and they caught all the fish of the river with this second and third fish. Okay, so the second fish was wise and intelligent and clever, so he acted as like dead, and the fisherman saw the dead fish and threw all the dead fish into the water again. And the third fish, who was always believed in luck or fate, the third fish just jumped up and down, okay, like this. And the fisherman saw the fish like this and struck him dead. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is don't believe in luck or fate. Okay, actually you are thinking na why I am telling this story right now, because I am just motivating to you people, okay, that you also don't believe in luck or fate. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, बोलते हैं कि ये तुम्हारे नसीब में नहीं है, ये किस्मत का लेखा है, ये किस्मत में नहीं होगा तो तुम कैसे कर पाओगे। कोई ताने भी मारते हैं, तेरे भाग्य में नहीं है तो कैसे करेगा, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, बहुत लोग ऐसे सुने होंगे। ओके, सो just one tell, God gives us birth, and in our life book, first and last page already written by God, our birth and our death, and middle some page also written by God. But yes, most of the pages are blank, which you have to fill up. Okay, so fill up this blank page of your life book, and don't believe in fate or luck, believe in hard work and write the middle pages. Okay, मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप किसी भी काम को पकड़ लेते हो ना, उसको ख़त्म करके ही रहोगे, मतलब ख़त्म करोगे ही, मुझे पता है, ऐसे बोलते हैं। येस, आई एम लाइक मीन्स आई एम डूइंग लाइक दिस. You have heard one more story like ant and grasshopper, right? No, I am not going to tell about right now. Already I told one story. Okay, I am not going to tell the second story here. So relax. Like the ant, yes, I am hard working. मैं किसी भी काम को पकड़ लूँगी तो उसको कंप्लीट होने तक उसके पीछे ही रहूँगी, नहीं इसको करना है मतलब करना है, राइट। कभी कभी मेरे हस्बैंड भी परेशान हो जाते होंगे कि वो सोचते होंगे कहाँ फंस गया लाइक दिस। कभी कभी बोर हो जाते होंगे कि अगर ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ होगा काम तो मैं इसके पीछे ही रहती हूँ, जब तक उसको कंप्लीट ना कर दूँ उसके पीछे रहूँगी। और यस, आई एम वर्किंग हार्ड एंड sometimes night also I am working 1 or 2 hour in my laptop. uh, why I am telling like this? Because I am not telling that you also work at night. Yes, I am telling that कल के काम को कल मत रखो, उसको आज ही कंप्लीट करो, और आज के काम को अभी कंप्लीट करो, like and hard working, right? And this hard working means this gift ये कहाँ से आया? मुझे मेरे डैड से आया है मुफ्त में क्योंकि मेरे डैड भी बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग थे, तो गिफ्ट मुझे भी मिल गया है। एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम गॉड, आई लव माई डैड वेरी मच एंड मॉम टू, and to my family also, my daughter and my husband. So do hard work, success is on your way, and don't believe in luck or fate. Thank you everyone, bye bye.